Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Murigere karibu sana sehemu ya mwahirio sehemu ya gatatu yo muruguriga gwitwani ya gatembe na unakonyora na chikio nkomonya ngobono nde no mugeni igase studio kolende ekero kumurigere ya tari umugeni mono no gosio kwabere gokore ekirase kero na bunku mwarigani asinchira ya bene anyare gosanga na ndio kumanyereta na boigo naki enararia iga turachikurigere emambiga ayabono wakire bia karibu sana umete nonye ninje nabonge bono mwanje umurigereria rero
bia mono
nkokorora
ase bali bago toligereria wakire bia ne mambiende yabene tumere nende gatembe etwania so gosanga aya abeire gakoroka na chikaseti cheito mambie na boiga matuka etire gochimaga bia mono asoko ngarigani bia mono
njori mwanje umurigereria tari aho
mayeta ndeni sorio kingoroku chitaito nechi nyinge HS nero political activist nero I was a one-time youth president once a youth president always a youth president although na itire bracket here but we are still there guiding young people yobo sai itira kego slightly takidende under chi program wao mangana yoko banga chi group youth bunge youth groups to aware toko engage mono sana na siasa entonyero che kunagenda rete so lende ase omorobelio lero na batogo jiko sanga cutting across siasa programs na bintu binde birape contemporary biamon
speaking of programs emorobelio fani gomete kero kurigeria serikali nigere as empowerment programs serikali ya Kenya kwanza ndo chenga mpaka ndete ku empower abantu timaitinga cross nsemo yawo ne empowerment egenderete ku siasa egendete ko enyorere getie kigale ebintone binge bikogendera omonto oemeti gojane program na bago jane program ka emeti ka lengeret ka kwate a vision yoko empower target people abwat no na bananji ata ko empower na bako manya category kino na bangina no na basaya no na bagaka abagoja no murobelio muya woko ba empower in an ideal situation na boko banga ekiego chikoba lakini the reality on the ground gikagia change kuna waono serikali ya Kenya kwanza nja abwate plan plan yeyo koroke agenda korokunga better bottom up economic and transformation agenda iko kwenye ligere likuwa ranga igere ngia sakara good one on paper display yere bia
ngia genteki ya ebwate merobelie miyali gote bankie go chikokora kere category no young people abangina bagaka getting chibese chiri cyabagotuna bintu binde na bwango iga ntwaramba bwa the program wetahete kocha gwetera bill yoko aba tureti ebese gosemo shahara in a month buno kuligerelia gente kina bakoranga negentekia lakini behind a program weyo ara nebinto binde serikali ebangete gwa chief bire political ebinde bire personal ebinde bibwa the other interests for example no project yabangine gokorwa gusaba sai usena abatureti batata kwa kabesa na bintu binde na bakonyora at the end of the day oyo gojane project enkiada ita achieve kwa manya rende interest inchikata cross no project usena affordable housing ngogo chako deliver simiti ngogo chako deliver chibao na bintu binde because akolega siye so kwanyoranga behind that project as a program mondonaro bwa the interest yogosukume agenda yae yiye gotoleta se emerobelie gendreta chi program we chigokoru number 1 ngogo benefit number 2 ngoko ruchi message number 3 ingoko chora abanda bako benefit no ne biyombe byabangina biko guchibesa no ne biyombe bya boda boda biko guchibesa ntomanye denga ina constituency biyombe bya boda boda usabangina
ne binge sana bikoba ose byombe by'abasae ne binge sana bikoba byonse bikoretwa mbikego bikoretwa ebyonse bikoretwa budget yabonereri ngoko chora abantu abanga kibagocha kwa makonyarende nga umoroberio no rescue because no bangire towards kwa chibi agenda get bono goika tuanse kwegweria maswali anambe yamo ngakio konyora beneficiaries number 2 beneficiaries yaba program we never sustainable nebwate vision gochimotua never replicated beyond abantu go support you border what next abantu bande batumeke omoroberio yu no bakonye unabona chibengia karo chiko kwa akabese chibwato moroberinga onya gwakana eloni eri bakoire na ayego ekonya kokonya ogole pikipiki yao no bakoire pikipiki in form of a loan by the time ogokora okoroka no gochikokore loan yabo na aye pikipiki yago konyire binto bibere bitatu ko gotigerwe pikipiki to tigerwe pikipiki akarere libwenje otigerwe kere form go se state eragendere kokonya nende kokonya na yo like montonde ekaro to koligere bono chi program ne chichire dana abasatli ogotabokerunga no bwate kenda buligi abangi nawo mubeka mwe toje tole tabasani nende kwanyoranga behind the scenes omonto bona bagoligia abangi nabairi bae ababeke mutwalia baje bae gwakabesa kali nenda onchoke mae kan 10 million charu etu nchikaranga ngo isana so such programs are not sustainable togo chitrace no nebe sa serwete to komanya serwete ko yunga personal donation omonto yo taita korwa chibesa chia boda for free personal donation ye interest ya heninki igada ete go sway chikuraget to chikura is around the corner
personal donation se chiga ekero kurigerera omushara okero kuriga no nya income cha abantu abaiga usigati abara abaiga bakubatuka che million chiga omushara yabo nko bwatanere ne chibesa chiga bakubatuka
te kwambatana na kingo gotebia ase chi program we jibono okonyora omonto naro go fund ekara fundiri abantu abakominyoka abwate kerengo get
fakachi koirani
nabwate omoroberio enga kije base gocha koirani number 2 okonyora either no monto taite go change ya siasa ela indicataro renga obo maarufu bwa keire ataite konya menta igora ka ataite konya boost enchira yoka arasoere ase egetie kigia siasa gose a constituency gose ward yata itakosoa go ikali gia ganto get arutarute gotuma ira jingo ko chitoje bono lende oruta aba murabale kosa abantu bakorokana bare ki message buango boda ma ta bona bale mosio chi billboard chi reflector jiri bako beka ngonya go itibale message then they go deep into the villages ba send a message
Mogeti
ngonya ko era sale nende na ko ete message behind my ga nga nyale ben ko ni go se agenda mbugati ne nyale be reflector abege tal so kwanyoranga o achievrie message
omukonye bumurai wense almost kekitore kindeke okori taro ya ego cha south mugirango asebiki ya eta na nekero kurigere ya chibesa chinyingi chabwa nchabwa tuko asense meri timanyanga egati ya baiga bari asebyombe biga ebikundi ebiga byanyarete kwegwa chibesa chiga ekero kurigereria embionsi bya konyekire
nakinante batoko bikonya byonsi no na lenge south mugirango marani kanto bakolete marani no mochanga okoletu ase chikanisa apona poko machigota yanga kanisa nja akonya gatalia na bintu bindi lakini ebikundi ebi byache tali byale ko changero nabokwe bolinga emerobeli go ikapaka prepare ebintu bigaikase byegete abangina balia gose abana boda bali mbate bati kubachangie kende mbate bati nga bona sengencho murobeli no church mwaboli kumoche mo contribute something to bangere event nende mwatebi kumobilize abamino bache
igoteche tivosa
tego chabosa go ikamora contribute something moma korokana mole serious nende moma ko iwe target o mo konyi mo nene bwense na kara mumanya gocha abange kwa wingi
karaso kintu beregana iga
nende gento kende mo BF lende litukelio
nonye muiko mo support moro kana mo gwaka chingo imogogete. It comes with some conditions and terms, you know, go ikamoche kwa wingi naende mwanza ko behave. You get mkwanya wanga bono lende mwaburuka niu lakini nende bakote anga oyo ko ewe kiabosa jerendete yo bono lende mogora ebere liura etera.
Agoteba maine ekirogo trickle down gwaso ase buna bono mama mboga. Orochenga omongino rase kinyoro emiroberi iga aya hachire inchira kiera ranyare gukonyeka ase obonchore bwayo bokoboke busina nyana asogonya egeticha kiri abate ne kiera nyare gukonyeka gwetera emiroberi iga
chinga kichi aitire maya gake nyuma gota discourage the program wechu because ye chigocha chia chikoena mono chi program wechu chikorogana chioko liera, you know, they are short term chikorogana chibwate chinga kichinke abantu noembali noema mboga bako mobilize kumba manyete ngegenteke ngeligocha ntoigocha ko audit ntoigocha ko bolu maswali bono negendo tugegocha sama tukamakebate abenga tikagetokonye ase chinga kiechi loosely statement yego danga na intu tikatoliere genteko soro baretira na kiture kindiki abanga batabwati ase bagoreche base chitigana intu tora kanyora tora konya karo abantu bande bakonya kiretigana intu getokonye and that is the message. Free things buna bigocha nende buna bikogenda freely go nabo ko bitumeka nende biera bono omongina mama mbogole mali ku sustain it becomes a bit of a challenge because interest chia bono nchiri ko ba anchor dia saga ya ebintu ebye binga get quick rich schemes aganto gete wapimire kakale goeta egente ke mwate unga egento ngekara program ne kara ekabwate chibese tokora aswa bwango bwango. By the time program we gocha kogenda so deep mwanya nga abantu bande mwara koniwu abande muhibeirwe dirimo expecting egende ngo bakonya kere mwanya oranga ngia
bale barakonyeke
bono omongino oliore maria nganere mama mboga a challenge boli bagocha batwara sustainable program. For example mongino konya chinyeni chego sene chinsaga a message yaberege gota mangana value addition nga kichin saga chia arachi preserve chipe for some time chimokonye kuna bona ngakie yembule go twe nyinge kwanyoranga chinsaga bono go se chinyeni nchinko majijire goroka ne chire chinyinge nga yogo chigacha ekero kiangazi ge gocha gocha chingini chiago chigokonye one onyole go liri akinire lya chirigoro number 2 onyole yabere shortage go se demand yabere igoro lakini supply rents bono profit yebe kere igoro obego koni chinyeni chono gwale koni mina musini obego koni go se shiringi 500 bono nchigokonye saja programs injire bit sustainable eyibona beko mokonya asora agache ndagera yao go se chinyeni chiao for some time temporarily ego konye value addition if you can add value ikibono ngato konye more or less like cottage industry ngakiti ago konye bono omonto buno yo bweli toke na wana bangina bagwe banga in a very organized manner be bange batwale a cottage industry where they can easily do their own crips ebinto bya bakwe rosali ali baoni no locally biko bakonye Osora and the rest of the team with the national government, we should be able to see them bago spearhead such programs. Although some other programs in the county government, lakini in partnership na national government, na bakoleta aba manyia mangana yu bakonya bangina no na ba South Mugirango. South Mugirango on top of Yemesi. There are things you can do around Yemesi na binto bin. Ekwaranero. There are things you can do under that line. Bon ebibion si PBA bua because na via very biko bakonya ya vera mosio backbone yo ya economy yabo yo ya bogirangali lakini via avoid kupi twagende binto bire very quick and short term ligabangina bayo bato irijatero moganingo chali ligabangina amina abagaka batene na abune chinyimbo torengi toraba bato welcome ko emeti siasa ligiaba sae bato chiap to baligeli besenke ligege gale to toro kyo monene bwensenga moroche kusibu na twanye chenjire and this happened because of the political temperatures chiaba chiko change matuka and a lot is likely to happen gochimutu birenga ne binge bigo cha go change, so expect more of these programs. Talia se omojumbe bweka even bali bako bolio bogabana no bali bako bolio birogo binde at the ward level omonto na bago temanga kingo soa e ward getenda ite ko bolio gante o chanaga program gete o danga tiganda aboda chi reflector no ani komika ko sa musini ko 500 o so ere kenyu abande badanga ebiombe no emoli biombe so ebiombe na linda bakonye oligaligi basani kana bantu bande ba support ebiombe lakini oso ere ground yo danga nanje ko bolinde kero. So a lot of these things will happen nende na beko towards politics, political electioneering na bako nyanga ebintu bune bya bere bigoje. Why serikali yako chorwa? It is because of some things, programs, activities, digitally sustainable. Ebintu gete people tabu to get again to get a gocha within a very short time kialima to was nyunga ya one serikali yako cha one ko tuara omwelekeo, two it's a reference point kwagenda nonye program kwanye wood. They have officers but experts but I will explaining a program where yenga kiyanse te ko senego konye ekende they can be able to make follow-ups if it's about a program maybe near funding or support yeta gete na bako make a follow-up to an office abajumbe bona bona bare disjointed you some of them do not even pick calls ichaba nanji korwali ngakiyoko moboling a program we bono ngakiya genderet they have no reliable officers on the ground bamanya the program no even the officers yoko boling agente ngakikana bata ekiora boli mojumbe ntundo manyete ekino mojumbe ojete na mojumbe koko moboli odanga ne idea ya deputy president yaleng togo igara deputy president. So in a well structured government initiatives okonyoranga serikali will be able to manage some of those interests, some of those desires jaba na inchi in a structured way where you can raise a complaint no koni go na bago danga esgimu ya jete ka to kon serikali motokon you'll agree with me coach Motua ebinto ne binge bigo chagocha and will have to saying maega behind the scenes abande go chakorosi bale binto binde biyaba bago danga osoro bache nende bache bato changere yo bono mo donate mo contribute kitigete to manya korangel yo sora cha bono kere pigi kere pigi eta kere contribute besa get omondo yo go batenga kere pigi contribute osangere je besa anda nacho waka nyosoro anga goje waka mete nga yo goja ko babwati goje
na beko bako wakwana ire igoro ya omorindo yo igago sembeo temperatures changere ko chinchi cha siasa ase orogongo rwagusi nekiroro chenga omorindo yo chakire ko eta negative barai nechi program bunechiga njera ki buno mogusi ara take advantage yechinga kechiga erindanyale goekonya biamono abarai baito bale kwe aliganya bechoke bia ntorocho morobelio genderete botambe kero siasere namune okonyora a government of the day we experience opposition goes hostility ko ground it tends to be reactive koma chiere korokane taite ko ba concerned ne kikegenderete in the arrangement ya rokane taite ko tegeraba na inji mono nginyole chi campaign chi abere chi ko genda be by election ebe chi general election okonyora some constituencies or say counties or say regions jibuga opposition towards the establishment or say government of the day serikali nkoli yere nchire eta te koebereria bananchi abu kare abaebereria ko sene nyore kura ibere isatoro ko ripu kuranke in the same breath abananchi ko sabara bali motwalia karo bamanyire ina bereko they can easily take advantage batebenga beyond yebinte yebike to launch serious and major projects. I'll give you an example. Kiara Lodinga, he has been in opposition for all these years. Akei goso serikali as siasa akei goso serikali o achiwe ndokia goso bona serikali he came number 2 karaba number 2 akaligere akakakeliyo akachagerero you can see chi ebinto byansira ko ba the part of Luo Nation mat
what am I saying? Even where there is hostility or opposition, our leaders were chokebuya. They can reap from the government of the day.
And ba konyora
Yes.
getari ken.
Bono instead abande bona badaete go disparage abantu bande badaete go tebanga etoli 90. They should open up batebanga kero monto bononchu. This is the time where serikali etaete go koigwa. This is the time mwananchi yako iweka na kuruanki atagete torre go sento mokonye.
Singenje serikali tete ko basiri.
Serikali tete ko sira, serikali tete ko lose ground, serikali tete ko tware grip on the ground and people. Era go senecha nyole chikura ibere isatu. You can agree with me within in less than 1 year stadium ya Homa Bay now branded Raila Odinga Stadium in Homa Bay.
Ere yogo
Ya roshi we standard get you can't even believe. I mean, yeah, so it is status yenga wana ya jira under Sports Stadium Management Board. It is no longer a county stadium, it is something else. Look at the investment ya begeto within a span of around 6 months to 1 year. Look at that. Who is guaranteed inga nanyo chikuroro? You can easily tell me Raila insa konchoka maambia tabenga na chire tinda manga na serikali ya na nabato kwasi omunga siasa ende ya ngora. But look at what he has achieved. The few ministers here bakire in office has sukumete from the other side.
Yes.
They have been able to connect nechi stima abande ba bekire bantu bamu abo chi office na binto binde. So you can compare Osoro as the majority whip for the last 2.5 years plus. Omokombe na Raila Odinga gose bantu babere batato Governor Gladys Wanga in the government of Broad-Based within 6 months. She has achieved a very serious stadium and other things. She's able now to lobby projects chiche maatabu. Pono toko boli Osoro ange kwa lobby. Ngambora bora na jangire kugirango na kitutu cha.
By the way, Governor wa county ya Homa Bay ewiki yaeta nanyarete ko kwakira umurai wesembia moneki agira gotebanga no nyinjira chipara chi amesi gu opuno mwako uyo chagete amagendera nyare wikira ni gwase county ya Homa Bay nigo ari igoro omono nekero tukurigiria abarai abaika baito bono yabere buna ekero bo miranire gose anonsi bagutware bikare biga baramo batoke bari kurwase chi side chonsi bari bago sira serikali na bateye serikali ekorokana ali nande bado no bago tenase ekero bayirwe ground no bago tenna bamanya komenta ko omugori ko se bamanya ko wide ne gapo eyega abwate linki ora kwanera se oburayo boiga babone
a problem babwate namba ya muko machikoranga even among themselves mbamache tiko tuara mosio bwobonche ndiko nyarokenda amwe lakini abamache tiko tuara obonche no ba kongusa okoranga kero ba kongusera mondiri batagete koje ground kero ba igule gosine moganio monene ngocharo ora alete besenge but entirely agenda yabo okoranga inkento kikere buango tora ikego taboli kero ba taboira baro baragenda na keroki so kwamanya konyora the whole agenda ya Misiri. Think of it like before bakore something empowerment ke ko majikoro kana buneke nkaiba akaba kero monto konyane ground kia yale agosukume agenda yae. I saw Osoro the other day in somewhere in South Mugirango agotanga anche ekarembe oyagete bwangoiga na roje binto byane byambere iribu nkarami nyoka paka so monene bwensinga modenga ya sambire gushi
turochingo genda bali
inkonye njura ntijera seget binto gete byabe akamanya kotebanga epara nerendo cha nonyole kotatali ya Rosabeth epare kauru mo jumbo yomo apparently otaikoroka active towards omulengo oyu akaurwe pale ya muko nyabekirwe budget era akaewa ekaranye egwanyira so in the spirit of gokonyo mogusi is that what we want yani ngakyoko rusi moina momuromino kwaira mwao amoni nebe none chikule
chiko nere bya gotenna goteya pamenye gosomo gusi mwana ketinge buna ayingane yiga yaboneta kogenda mwe lakini senge nchonga nchini ndangake
Inare message yala communicate yala katabanga when push comes to shove yani akare binto byansambire mono nabongo korakende gyonse even the unthinkable including kokora binto gete totakwane ase TV go icha satisfy interest yaye nakina gotenga obonche bwabaire na wotanga ine bono lende osona bago tenga rama no ematiangi omorama because abegete interest yaye mutu rama nyarebe oitaka tokonya
look how far, because how low people can go in terms of go beg, because abegento, baroje rightfully ne kiabo. That is how far we have sunk the leadership yomugusi. Instead bago sugumera mo batebenga no ba mulengo onde bunole no ba mulengo Matiang'i kose mulengo Raila kose mulengo Ruto. Tigatora agenda buno mogusi tora what we can be able to achieve. Bono there are things we are very big because totally we are very big because like you have had airstrip yasuneka times of the number bono ya kolera kogenda pi. Don't you think there was leadership? Ya takire koro king anki takire koro. There are roads boli chirami chikandata chiakwamira gusi for the last 3 years plus. Lakini chikireta kiri because some leaders have decided into ikogenda direction yeyu. Na into tikatongusa kocha.
Yes.
Bono lende koro morayo kokwano monene bwense botambe. Kwale wachi we very better. That's why this team ekonya ko make ground kiabo ekonya ko ba more hostile. They thinking ko kora kere kebebu ye mono but bona baoge salia. At the end of the day, the government agenda, they watch you including Kobanga, Chikura.
And they chikombia.
Yes, bona focus somewhere else. Individual. Osoro kona shida mahali kuja chukua kitu. Chafa tukona shida mahali kuja chukua kitu. Balibonzi Alpha no bwata wakongwa sekete nchukua yenyewe. The rest of the constituencies mujipange muende kwa Matiang'i mupewe maendeleo.
Bono omoyiga nanderore ritukuri Alhamisi ngokorekana urase ime nyaribari chache.
Nyaribari chache.
Okotera nkolikoli.
Okotera nkolikoli, I mean you'll agree with me. A ground one get shifted it to Matiang'i presidency 2027. There is another theory about Chikuran 2026 chikale. So either way, answer kuebanga ki ground gakawa. My message na linga onde bwensi orochole allied to the current government. Abo mojumbe abe kerogale boikansa koligie nchera wetete amapema aruta matoronga berata to ara gosana survive aso kere goru nyumba da wise ground ye kere gaterere bobe na bobo tero akense wanyolenga 2027
no nyembara baba abanyana bamanyete. Yes,
this chi program we choroje bago chibeka bwango no go tema go che ground ngagage na chire moteba ngaiwa kinende tokonye. You know, motobugate si. No, evanto chikurangale chikale tobugate si. And it will be a clean sweep. Bono bate chogati siasa na beko baburukani go 2027 yeyu na bako nyanga e ground kiabere kebe. Lakini mwananchi na aroje. The beauty about it is mwananchi na aroje ngere ntrata. The only achievement bara make ne ya quick opportunities, quick benefits chitaba sustain. Ba analire ma tegante ki analire korwo ko serwa. Iri chikura chiko boligo montago denga bekera ininda go sera abantu baserwa. The same thing is what is happening. Omojimiwa torengo kende no bwatabu ngoba kwaniranda abantu baserwa. Some of these activities go say programs ye jibabwada chiko ja very fast. It is politics ebisire in terms of development, like you can't see what the development in that, which is quite unfortunate. Those tokens, very urgently, you know, when the need arises, very fast. Back to square one.
Ntubwate bono egati abarai abajumbe abo batari aso morengo yega bose batari ko konyakoiriria tere serikali elituko baraboro che ndireri goikariri barabe bagutenengegu bagenderete gukongera chi constituency chinde chiko tabokia magendero.
Problem wero na barobu manyete role abanereri actually gas yomo jumbe no ko lobby anyore development ya buoye akaraje bekire budget. Lakini egero kirete igo ganye to bangwe with the regime where already ndarate na bego ko banga buya sana including ebase ya ko abekire budget okire to kara iro tai konye follow up chances are na bako nyanga osoro rusiri o irire constituency you are not so careful. So a message na elinga it's a wake up call. There are things yokobeka koganyete nga mbichebe, so you need to keep on following up. Then ekikia muhimu kabisa onya gwake lyogi
never kera necessarily kunya wakeli yoginga
Over
relevant binto mbiri buya banda bato kolre banda bato minyokiri. I like to give an example kia Kibagendi has been making noise round paka none pale ko machiko be kwa neighboring constituency onyoranga ya mentri ko chabua in that same spirit kwa nyoranga elio ya gonya gwaka gonya konyorwa lakini ogenda okiro ndesa pi aboko bago da mondo yo galenza machaya ninsale tikatomo ule gente korali so buno korara buno ko okote ngarara kabisa watu berero so for them bali batali gochengero mulengo yo tikabaro kane bale very active
onye opposition kaba strong
yes, very strong tigati konya kuweka katika timu ino na muino so strongly oppose what is not happening right as a government here no mbabo soro ba short change akeli yogi moina abananji bamanyanga wabere short change akege cha geisane
bakekera ba ukoligia bamanyanga kiyo yo tokomo win
tali mondo raisi yo ono mondo motindi is a big fish
acha na bago chaneti mwene
look at the noise rigijia come all over he gets attention even the media gives him attention so at the level yo mojumbe ole gosenko rugusio tayo go shabikia serikali otali praise and worship team ya team Ruto we should also be seeing him the other side awakeli ogiri nyinge bunatali praise and worship otherwise we may treat him to be lukewarm yale so soft as a serikali kakonya go pima binto so he'll be counted moina so make noise omanyanga yo omanyunga yoru ole mapema tu amanyanga enelio yo bwate magendro taraika ndogo chacha ashili
na nyare ekero tukwana bono aba jumbe Nchiranero, is there a structural way ichi amagendera yaiga ose echibese chiga programs echiga chirabasa ko benefit abamenye bechinse mochonse kurase chi constituency chonse
yes there are policies chigo chabe number 1 abajumbe mbabwata leeway ntobwata several programs ntobwata in the current take or kunyota I think motienyo 7 na bagonya ya achire it's a serious program kwa young people an opportunity to for their own businesses. So such arrangement, chinde chiabere chikobo uwezo fund, youth fund, chiabere chikobo time without number. Lakini chitaikoro kana chire sufficient konyo ebe sebe kira nenke kwa manya konyora. On the flip side, the demand igere so high. Kuna bono chinga kitu akatware uwezo fund na youth fund chialenge very active. The number of young people who apply chibase chiria balenga bange mono so a government chietiko make enough budget under that line lakini ndenda abajumbe kibaro nende baligeretinga chiskimu nchire chiansire koja abantu bakoli kichibese abandi bataete go okore biashara na other interested parties jira behind the bako bachibese chia boda boda na bintu bintu. For example, monto ko ebe so ire o boda na ayo no mujumbe ora obwate kiti yeko ku CDF utate ko manage.
Yes.
At the end of the day na bago chamaga ko tengo mogambi na go support chia ngakoa kabese ke tiga no 2 million ta ko nga ebirasi via CDF no mbitano ndo siali. So such a interesting go jachire chia. So a government should look onto some programs chikoro kunga chire more friendly women funding chakabairo they need to work on that no ne budget yetaisa iniebeku something that appears to be countrywide ekaro ogu appeal for something kere a bit state or say national nkoro kana kerege koleta kiromonto emetungo chera mona bokonyo abono bagwanchanga abutika tobeke budget yanene a good example is youth fund. When youth fund was there, a budget no yaleko between 1 to 2 billion. Chiarenga koba chinke, but you could see achievements out of that. Chiba se ina bochigo pakolate paka a ground paka constitution. Abogo no project in area youth fund, also West fund, no women fund. I know chikiti ejinchire strained yake because chiloni chia chiete nchiche dikoiran abande baka kagane korende grant bako. So such a programs chibe reactivated. Eba cement wo. You look at on average an empowerment program bune yego cha bo osoro na bantu banda from the government, if one event can take 50 million, think about 50 million in that constituency, or chibe youth fund in that constituency, na women fund. Even 25 million chigenda women, 25 chigenda youth. You'll do a lot.
And yes,
it's also a word, and then chiko konya bantu or are able to check on the progress. Lakini wana singa njobi ko ruwa hazard ligo, you know, bande bata ite koliera chiba se ina binto bindo, mochoko tayo, you can't make follow-ups and other things, wanyonge challenge yabe. Then of course at the county level, they should also be able to, Abajumba should also be able to work with the county, what are some of the programs, like agribusiness programs, they can rework with the county assembly, member of county assembly, MCAs, but organize in a way if there could be some programs where answer at their own level with their mandate. So in a constituency, I have, for example, they have 5 wards. Omo MCA, kere ward na na be get something from the county government, na from national government, ya chakiama chikoroganege ko complement kikero. That will be able to achieve a lot. It is the same thing that is happening with the bursaries. The bursary chiko thrown all over. So to iko manyango will achieve what at the end of the day kwanyanga there are a lot of wastage ya korokana. It's called so if members of parliament really mbale keen ko konya bananchi babo mashinani in their own constituencies. Tigabaga and bari work on the those funds and those programs. Chire beat national. Babe kechiba yasa chisa ine. Babe kano 10 billion. 5 chiganda bangina. 5 chiganda basai. Chiba yasa chiaba angina chinse kogenda bu yama shinani. They'll be able to help them. Abangina banabakonyo babere a bit sustainable. Abasa banabakonyo anga bahansire we tegemea. Di kabara tumekwe gocha ko kominyokia mashinani. Nena bago ko inyoranga ngwato ruandrete fund gaji, which is a bit progressive than what they are doing now. Because you will agree with me, economic empowerment fund bune yego janyariba charge on Thursday. Not even 1,000 young people are going to benefit, but the number of young people bale nyariba charge is more than 1,000. Assuming maximum they'll support is 1,000, but the number of young people in Yariba Charge could be tens of thousands. So then aba 1,000, and some of them may not even be satisfied because they have contributed. So you are likely to lose more, tens of thousands of young people who are not even united, whom of course you've not met the expectations. We expect they don't even know 1 million each. We are now getting 1 million over 100 of us. It is not even enough. Some of the expectations to what Jiraba met.
Wabe frustrated.
Yes.
Nekero okurigereria akose obutaka obogendrete obutaka mpoli kusi. Ekero okorelate obutaka ana boigo emerobere gose program echida. Egendrete echirachi echiko keyo obutaka gose chigendrete comment obutaka.
Nchikei echira kei maybe umuntu yamo wasebabere.
Oyo gotenenga na bagotenenga.
Oyo le konyora na bakonyora but echikoro kana chire egento omuntu omotaka. No muntu obwate as long as you are not sustainable. You know, you have your own business, lakini biashara yao a profit bikoro shiali gosene ya 1,000 kwa nyoranga 1,000 kwa nda mahitaji 1,000 na igona hano motakoro teigo isana ono at the end of the day go ikoli yenchira biashara yao biramente a profit ebe more than 1,000 when expenses chiko majikoroka na koba more or less same to your profit you are not making any profit margins. Tafauti teyo mono. Bono na bakoranga endo kokolra. That is the message yoko za kwanyoranga. Enda banongo kokolra gente kenge konkonya. Kwanyoranga bono kwa beire there is retunted growth. You don't grow anymore. There is a bit of a challenge. No enka biashara akaka kwa beke tenkanya gosuka. No erangi kwanya kwa kagiyosi kikiao. E biashara na obiro abantu na bakoroche ngano ole. Na biri. So e biashara bune bono mbiri kokonya. Mbira ba to a level we could manage bioka. So that is now part of poverty. Number 2, no nabantu bada the ones biashara. Even the young people that are also into business, a little bit of entrepreneurship, amachika mange yogosoa nyumotara soa goikwa kane county chibango gete chi taxi getenjire wagana by the time wako soa owanse biashara kwagojire kwaros e foundation kwa wekire none biashara omoese kwabuga to ailis so environment yokore biashara teli friendly it is not favorable yago sumbua one biashara binosoro igogo soge chi yore frustrated oigwete nganki kabana jete weso kwaba for a very few months kwarosa in some places maybe in town so got ngabano akane rent because ya 6 months to quite goodwill kwa kana rent ya 6 months biashara bya we stock yao by the time abagani aba customer chigo komanyabu ya kabisa na lie biashara utakora gusengo pikibire kwa nyanga bono you are making losses you are not profit margins are very low expenditure is very high ba customer cha onchiracha kwa nyanga toraji weekend kwenda hapo close ama itaji yako ingerete kwenda hapo close shop go about of business so up to the level abantu baito bakoro kwa barai bagocha ko work on the strategy ngakibara enhance business environment yo kore biashara very friendly very favorable na lia abantu bara so into serious business more shops are going to close more expectations here chira kero monta ata itako so into white collar jobs because no ara nyole loan ata iko strain mo no alegas ka kore biashara binde arata ko but still a challenge here people who are working in the private sector somehow now ba kore biashara ba bare bit sustainable bali ba invested mapema then bakabwata their own rentals ko se chi nyomba chiabo o se friend ya ko renta tie kiosiki kia in a very friendly rate a very expensive way ko se exorbitant go cost biashara bya biragenda otherwise nobody will begin a biashara within a very short time on your ones go konyora profit yerengi and yes. Enjoy it will take a bit of time you struggle a lot oboge mabwa kongire ebizro bogo nyanga bya kongire sana so e biashara ebiko be sustain even the young people the women and other people telikoroka nere raisi yake aganda kakabo babwa tenga serious economic empowerment by submission nelinga bale kuamua mbata eteko empower abantu ko sena 1000 bamwe tenga serious empowerment kero monta we between 250,000 to 1 million serious economic empowerment babuga the proposals in kibata eteko kora with this money ekina bakiyale ko bakonya then there could be framework yoko kora a bit of monitoring paligerelinga e biashara ebe kuansete with 250,000 how sustainable birabe then within that arrangement ye biashara bia noli ke bantu balenga so that yemanya cover that ripple effect abantu bande ngo bakonyo if we have a target of 1,000 people maybe in a constituency below these people babwata abantu baligete around 5 na barobako nyora kende bago support their families that one now can be able to achieve a lot na bako nyora at the end of 5 years mwa chire maybe you have tripled or doubled the number ibona eto konyo but you can agree with me alia bago sango se milioni 10 bada baninga ebyombe twalenga go se 5 go se ni 10 to bagane babagana batanga chiritwa tumekera matumishi kararusi kwa nyoranga kere kiombe kego ikagosene 40,000 kego kana karago nyom
yes akogenda no yo konyora libaga orato otaburi keria kana ni keria akomera na bono ujumbe ya ochase abasaya no mono kero baligirete ayagendete gokorekana nakio amaunchoriri arakorwa sama tukale bosio erinde ekegotuka nga abaraibu na abaigambara ororo umusa umanyanchira kiabonte kwebwata
nambe emo abasaya bono they are the majority looking on to dynamics both in digital forums and even on the ground. You're able to get majority of the young people. Number one, they have an advantage of age. They'll be able to live longer. Number two, they have information. They're able to get information all over digital space. It has opened up. They're able to scout for opportunities. Now, even meager resources are able to do. Many times a challenge young people, youngsters, it's bundles. They can be able to get free bundles wherever. They'll be able to do their own stuff.
they can be able to achieve something varagani via bundles jisane vanyora digital space. I've heard of a government plan yoko rua bundles or something koveka laptops or computers in some place in a ward, every ward. I'm looking forward to such an opportunity. Young people now can take up that advantage, and if that is the opportunity para take up, they go with it. But essentially, they need now to get themselves organized in a manner they are able to get their leaders, baba put into serious accountability measures. Omo jumbe gosomo MCA up to the level bafilejing ambanyora baraya barabakonye. Number one, they rokana kere personal. Of course, personal is also good. It's also good to get an opportunity if they have those opportunities are there. Chiokolika abasabu na wakoliko. But now they need to forge ahead because with the numbers now wago tegererwa. Gen ziba no movement because a generation you gave what numbers bago thrive on numbers. They can be able to threaten your future, political future.
Yes.
Within a very short period they have summoned me, I need to go there. So it is high time they get a little bit organized. Once they are very organized, bamanya go taka bamanya go tewanki exactly baragani bakore. Number one, they can cluster themselves. Those ones, whether the chigas in Awagodang and Tugochia or Toroja, we can go for jobs. In Tugochia, we can do business. There are people, there are young people who can easily tell in Jenta, for business. In whatever arrangement, more as young people, from Machinani, and then you're able to get the attention of your member of parliament, your member of the county assembly, do that. Once you do that, allow him, then tell him, as a way forward into take or different categories into take or support here 1, 2, 3. In that way, na bako nyanga mwanzire work on. Put a pen to paper.
Yes.
For those ones who are able to do that, go do it. For those ones who are unable to do it, na umokora rag behind. Paka na inu moja ko manyanga again take goika buetome.
Otherwise,
yes. Otherwise to go kirego binto bich.
Mbagani viongozi ase amangana bunaiga. Mpaka neti yani umuntu lazima tuare umuntu kumurago cyaro amanya wikaro especially kere bara bangi
kolie koma ete bono ba answer kwe banga in a way they easily identify among themselves umurayo amoko sebabere at the end of the day barangi bata the watch. I can tell you they have an advantage information. They're able to get information in a given to Koru elsewhere, not even in Kenya. They're able now to they know what they can be able to do in terms of putting their leaders into account. They are very proactive. They're able to make calls. They're able to quote unquote threaten an MP to submit. So they're able to push them. Agenda 1, 2.
Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda.
bona bago ansa okole gento ko oversight bago babolinki moralrete because we are representing people, our people ko mashinani ko boli balenga chipara tu aiteti emiradi tu aiteti ko amache na bintu binde ngaki motene inega motaransa okole gas. If they find bago nyoranga omo waziri ko somo governor ko somo deputy hoye na ba waziri ba arali regasi, they know what to do, including the unthinkable impeachment. They can decide to do that so that bara kishegasi ronega kokorwa na liyo at the end of the day omonanchi ara realize there is representation very necessary. Ekaroko nyoro mo MCO taiko boli ya binte binde na bananchi mo complain imaginani nga county government itera akora kenda, then it takes you to at one point ngo achore to mo MCO ogachora no mo governor go say deputy governor, lakini bantu barota achore da bakoronga county executive committee members ababano bakora implementation ye binte ground. Ayabono oli wachore tena rogo suguma kabisa motainga gasdera akora. The moment you realize people are complaining, then MCAs are not working. The moment you realize things are going so well, then think about MCAs squarely, it lies with MCAs. Right from budgetary budget, it is their role to do that, more or less legislate by the supplementary budget, by the normal financial year budget, and other programs, GATU budget, then of course, before even that, I think it's about colleagues. Go minister, go chief officers, colleagues. Then you go to the budget, buy Tina Virobi. Bamanyaka Monto, who is regarded as an expert, or implement what, or translate a key policies in the assembly to realities on the ground in terms of development or activities. Development ground. Then you begin doing oversight. Legislation, then you come to oversight. Oversight, you are people that represent, you do it perfectly in terms of checks and balances. 10 million Chekire executive way go monto answer kokora miandaling or answer go change na kokora bin toget. So you are forced to represent your people by impeaching these gentlemen or these individuals, what they go, including the governor, whom you regard as somebody who then he is incompetent. Based on incompetence, omonto na bago ba impeached because harusi office forcefully.
Lakini gero korigereria aba MCA bonsi kurwa gusi ntoriko chikana guse county ya Kisii usine ya Nyamira. Nekero korigereria mbare abantu babwate ground kyabo batenene boli arakwane gose bagwetie bintiga babwatirio giri erimo gentegetaganya nande ekero korigereria nabantu babwate omosima mobo baranyare gutene ground akon bono
lende ekero konyora omo MC atamanyeti atabwati mosimamo atabwati principles chiae alengereti interest yensini ini igobono rule odi party korua segasi ya okora ekoro kwa representation ko represent yo mwananchi in terms of amatakwaye nkyo mwananchi yo yatagete ekara ko ndo etie budget ai go eteli on the budget ga go etie budget ye FF mwananchi yo mochorete whatever the oversight ya gokora no go checking kitara have achieved a section you get in terms of amache, in terms of roads, in terms of other development projects that get go to ground. Eka ko nyoranga MCA ya department otigire ko kole ebio otigire ko kora checks and balances oversight ko represent yo mwananchi yo. Obona ta ikoro ko MCA. Obona wanzira ko kole bintu bya every personal. Tiga resign no no bo MCA obu. Agenda ali gento kera makonye kere personal interest asenye njobono. The mandate ya etu taranye manyanga kiata keire konye execute. It is very unfortunate nga enambe nyinge ya achire elaini yeyi. And it's because of okotaka boito bwa bairo bonga. Omo MCA go sekerale campaign ako invest a lot. Ako ndo ligi resources okaganga ga go soa you'll be able to do a lot more. Go ikaonyo ebintu bya change their procedures chiko ba followed. But the time I was a gorania kabasaka on yoranga ya bere ga siango. O deciding aya want to focus ko liya kabasaka na ko the campaign. Na sera ta bantu na kaire. Kwa ma ko nyabone na mbe nyinge ya change the focus o chira elsewhere. Bono o mwana injos have a ground. egasi otakera abananchi yasinya because bono kwanyorenge egente gwatagete nkeiko gokonya whatever achievement gwatagete komake within a very short period a benefit gwatagete konyora bono yasinyiri inkiokora okoire na back to square one na gochia sana alenge bono na alenge okora buya I spent a lot of resources here so kolikie keroge kumbe keroge nkia bwate kende kera gonkonya those expectations chiago change bono kwa a different person
amount of frustrations
but at the end of the day you'll meet omwananchi gose vote ground agotevinga ngakoe gasi okatenga nyakorole ngakoe gasi nyakorech otaete re-election it's a big no muntu mangocho that is how the game continues
omwananchi omugusi amatukubuna yaiga nakiabonete ko deal no mo MCA oyoye okogenda kwanyora ngakiro kendo chiro okorire obwamate ochigokoro rwembereri no mugavana kwanyora mo MCA magendera tari gocha no nyekero babwate bikare biga turi kumanya gusenko korekana bire meta bange mbamaitinge county assembly bikare bi matuku kibigo korekana ekiagera mbari ko chibakwa naroro neki mwananchi abonete ko deal na such MCAs
igere tragedy within a span of 5 years talikenda kane no mwananchi arakole mwananchi can easily serve within those 5 years gose omatale in the massive honor yo montacholete he surrendered power to govern himself or herself to the MCA somebody who came akamoebereria akamotega kinge kura ninko korege ntogete na gentogete oikira ali onyore ngabono rende expectations chialenga chinga ebintu bya change under that circumstance okwonyoro mo MCA nyorire oikanero change we may not even blame them entirely but nyumotara nacho moragia goigora lengereria you know before you decide nyumotara deciding no bwe MCA nkoboli kara manyanga obwe MCA obono ngakibokale
nkibogo janafko
omosharo bono no chonkonye what if ebinte ingo sukuma nko era saba na inchi mbiriko chikoba nkigo chikombera then you realize egente kana bongo kenyara bono gwaso egeti na abantu bagotenga kyotengu amanyete kigwachete okora kigwache tororo otaete kobe MCA to wakilisha bono kolega asieyu egetandeke kwalire bono raro wetangere kebe nkere buna gekale bono rara nkebe nyankini kebe nyambao rale getandekyo tokolere gasi buna gwatebete yaba bere gasi enkongu buna ba MCA achieve sometimes so kwanyoranga omogavana and other people mbabugate advantages ibere isato chiko bakonya because the resources bono nechi nyingi then they are able to lobby other grants chigocha one MCA taigo BF na beko enyora in a tight corner bimo burukani gose omogabana mosugumo onyago pingo mogabana mono na bwata kwa MCA bande na bokorusi kuno ne committee na bintu bine so kwanyoro mo MCA oyo expectations ya bwata choko office chekire chia change asa soire wansire konyoranga machiko naro ko maintain ya committee gete bune chair tinda ke limpinga mogabana mono kwanyo abono kwabeire caught in between ko balance your self interest abana inchi bao and any other interest kwanyo anga bono ere buyora side no mogabana naliora survive in the meantime it's quite unfortunate but that is the state you got abera ba MC
kero bono kuligereria se obochorio bonne bole posio incheraki amakoso buna igara chikore kembisho nkayego chogikira nkayo montara amanyerenga ki omurayo yokero kende tari yo raike achiko change ekero asoire abisi omurayo wika chiko iranie nibo ya elitanga ni kegera ponse bagocha asili taliringa na batakatibu
chikura na chiro chingojo chire chiamera chingongo aba bako bolyo bwa MCA goiko evererie kero kwa evererie to some level abande bono goikabere paka bangainere kero bangainere mwananchi na bago ikoranga oyo obekiro monu esukali mona kagete ngo tomo eko senato konya lakini kiga kaikire ngango bakonyale mwaro soire kero gotagoro no bakonya it's a tragedy ya beirege ko so asabara ibaito na kiekoro kananga even the constitution yekwala emiaka 5 you may serve go semobe buye emiaka 5 lakini ever a room for change I'm not certain a recall clause kelige begirenga na botoko recall members of parliament get effective but the challenge nelinga there are other structures abananji batakere batumeke in terms of organize serious forums yikoro kwa accountability forums town hall meetings
ward level meetings where an MCA karagocha buna their leader agwalao bantu bamubolia maswali, and those forums are created there deliberately created area esenga njoko bakonya. One of the major forum noli public participation yekarabago etia a budget kosebago sangereria maoni nkibataget bakolerwe ekaro chigo cha abananchi bago cha kurwa maoni yabo ngomera na bale one on one with their leaders MCAs baba bolirende ebintu tuwaetio mwako lindoje murahikirani nkikagenda rata such a forum sinjire chingia aso mwananchi ku attend ekarachi attend na bakorwe birengereri biyaye. Number one, OSS kiki aberege genderete gochimaega orogano taite ko hold these leaders accountable into account of abolia maswali omora ina bako manyanga yene MCNde na mesira gochimaega omwako yo mogeme bintu mbirenta akoleta buyo obirora. If there are things that are achieved, then subsequent year bona bako banga ebintu bikere tie ground ngonsumbu akere. Such a forums na bachiko boro aso ko hold these leaders accountable. Echina chi avenues chiro tuganyete echinde chia bara miaka 5 omora ya kwekeranya kia daira niwe bosangeswe taira niwe yakabe
na ekiro kurigiria bara omora yo mugusi na chego tigengane ga yo wanja bosoko koru kwancherere
tali mugusi bweka bantu mbe anjete. Anyway, it's personal interest then yama go under other people's interest then personal interest yama go under maybe your family friends ya extend to that level. Maybe no limit those interests kwama ya the wider picture. If this thing can happen, maybe an example was in a para tinko beka personal interest ya se para e gonkonya no inchi. So part of your interest to achieve with a major interest ya bana inchi ba mi bao mo share that common goal nga e pare ye na to konya twins, then you say yero tiganye priority. Besides being your individual interest, look at the wider picture nga ngente ganga to konya likage ngonya nje weka tiga open up this opportunity for my people.
Litukuria la misi nocheke nyanturaka
tingo tindi go chengera tindi president worship yo mulengolia lakini bali bako gendoro nto basabere tamaya, but moving forward abarai baito tigabaliki sustainable programs tira konye abananchi because abananchi mbale a little bit desperate for resources oboge mana barombo kongete quick wins olio ko gendoro inse ko egwa no engantara agora mabere tigaigenda oyo kogenda as a contribution yera akorwe bakonye tigaba make use of those resources because partly nature yabo nonye chikorogana na bananchi barai bako chako bakonye, but indeed it is their resources chitakere chiche ina mana chira bakonye nende ba meet their vision mapema kobwa koewa chichi ebituma gose chitoke ni korunya koruterugo chitaba sustain go chimutu.
Mbia mona sana kagete ngana ndekera umuyego yora toke ko eri go seme go apne ya berike okorekana. I hope ngana nde abara imba chiko change pabe bago saba evitali go seba saba chi program na watebire chire chiko last na nde chira busa gokonya abamenyi fitinsemo wancho murigereria oyo Dennis Orioke ore political activist ekera ari kusanga na into igoro yemero beriga igendrete anmuno kurwa ase serikali nene gochase aba jumbe igoro yoko gendera gusira abari abonchoreri abakabake abasae na boigo bari pale no kugania gogosirwa irinde ko gendereria sinsemo ye biashara na boigo manganande amange bia mono kigeba ekiagira gendera tokoba inde ya Katembe TV ende kwa gendereria koba omwegeno na akero ndache ko gotiga ase meroberi yende kobwate nigongo kubolenga ogendere gotigara asigita sene kiga herinde tokenda usanga asinchira eri iyo bwa moke makoro studio kabere nere Mike Wills ga kubwaterana na Matundura na boigo Rogers kubera neri bia mono ekiagera kwanyarire konyoreri ogi netibicha asinchira eri enyikira nokiguma ko Matilda obaigwa twara omugaso omuya
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzitosomya bamuraba chikuya mandegere uzitwatire kumama ene twatire
eduka y'obumo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi imense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu buriya bikomenya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirango ao ndabono babata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chire chia mache inyaranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri buririke iri yagatigati gwikari guri iri abantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabuno raganye bwochoganire erangi biga aseduke nyiganya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutari rero iriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enyekenga enyumba yao use asomete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduka nyiganya Uhuru Superstores yerotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo musongo iyirange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene ringi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbetera se namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Discover your love language on our amazing channels all month long to enjoy intriguing telenovelas from all over the world daily. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Watch Filipino melodrama The Fake Life.
We really need to focus on this mission.
Get charmed with our Indian drama Soulmates and Turkish drama Lost in Love. You can also catch fresh episodes of Stepmom on Rainbow TV Plus every day at 8 p.m. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Buy the DTT decoder for only 1,199 shillings and top up 500 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the Classic Bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia aso gusonja etibi ya ubanje kyaga Temba Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite channel number